Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be installing React in our system. So mine one is particularly MacBook, but there are no such like vast differences when you want to install it in your Windows or your Linux or other systems. So yes, that is it. I will be linking down the Microsoft document which is showing all of the code. They would be in my terminal as well, but just so that you can refer to the Microsoft document, I will be having it linked down. Also, I just wanted to mention this really quickly. The end screen that you see where the React logo is shown, is displayed. Actually, it is not mine and it is from a random image from Google. So I don't want to get copyrighted or anything. So I'm just mentioning it here. That is not my image. Actually, I don't know, for some reason I forgot screen recording my my video when it was getting updated and was getting installed and displayed on this the Safari. So yeah, that is my bad, but I hope it is okay. And I will be posting all the other videos in sequence. So we'll be completely covering React fundamentals, which is there in syllabus for TE Sem 5. So yes, they are going to be like fired because I am very, very excited, and because all the concepts are like very, very fresh in my mind. So I would be able to explain that to you in much more depth. I am so sorry. Oh my God, this is already way too long. So yes, that is it. Let's start with the video.
Okay, so in the search bar, we are going to type Node.js download, and then the first link that pops up, we are going to select it and move on with the LTS download version of it. I am going to be selecting Mac OS. Once that is done, once it is downloaded, continue clicking on next, and then press install. You might get a pop-up of typing in your password, so do that as well. Once it is downloaded, I'm going to go on to my terminal and type node space -v to check if my node has been downloaded or not. Once I get the version update, I am going for the Microsoft documentation for creating a React application. So we will have to make a directory. Once that is done, we'll have to cd into that directory, and as you can see on the screen, we have to type the following commands: npx create dash react dash app. My app is going to be the name of your application. Then we'll proceed further and go to cd my dash app, and we can start your React application. Now npm and npx are two different things. You can see here npm is going to be your package manager, and npx is a package runner which is used by npm. These are the only steps that need to be done. Also, wherever you have created your first React application, you will be able to see that few of the node modules, the public and the src etc folders have been created. So these are the dependencies that got installed. So here where you see untitled, actually this is exactly where you will be getting your React project. So after all of the commands have been run successfully, this is what your application page would look like. I was not able to screen record it, that is why I have taken this photo up from the internet.
Yes, that is it for this video. We will be releasing the next video, which is going to be talking about different components of React very soon. So make sure to subscribe this channel and also follow me on Instagram. That is it. Bye bye.